Mama, will we see wild animals?
Maybe, but stay close to me.
The sun rises over a dense jungle. A long train waits at a small station.
What a beautiful jungle.
Yes, but I heard it's also very dangerous.
Next stop, Green Valley.
It's too strong! We have to evacuate!
What is happening? Is everyone all right?
Something huge is moving in the shadows.
Did you hear that sound?
Yes, something is wrong.
Snake! Snake! Snake!
Big snake!
I'm scared!
Stay calm, everyone!
It's too strong! Emergency brake! Hold tight!
This is Jungle Express. We are under attack by a giant anaconda. Need army backup.
Prepare the rescue team! Move now!
We must save the civilians!
Help us! Please, something save us!
We won't let it in! Stay together! Stay together! Now! Fire!
We survived.
Check everyone for injuries!
You'll be fine. Be brave.
We can move again! It was our duty.
Thank you, Army! You saved us!
That was scary, but amazing.
Courage, unity, and hope saved the day.